Hello, today's lesson is lesson 37, finding half of a set of objects. Let's pretend that these colored tiles are candies. I have a group of 8 candies. This is also called a set of 8 candies. So I'm going to share these candies with my sister, so we each have an equal amount. I will keep half of the candies, and I'll give my sister half of the candies. So I'm going to show us each having half the candies. Now I'm going to do that by dividing these tiles into 2 groups. And I can do this by drawing circles just to help me out. All right, so I'd give one for me and one for my sister. One for me, one for my sister, one for me, one for my sister, one for me, and one for my sister. So if I have, and then I just have half, so half of 8 equals, how many pieces did I have? 1, 2, 3, 4. Half of 8 equals 4 candies, or 4 pieces, okay? And I can check that by adding these up. 4 plus 4 equals 8, so I know that my answer is correct. Okay, what if I have 6 candies? If I divide it in half, each of us would end up with 3 candies. Okay, so half of 6 equals 3. So I'd only get half of them. Okay, what about 10? So if I divide it in half between me and my sister, do that really quick, you can see that each of us get 5 candies. So half of 10 equals 5. All right, what about half of 40? Half of 100? Or half of 50? Okay, well, half of 40 is going to be 20. Because if I divide 40 in half, 40 equals 20 plus 20. So half of it is going to be just 20. Half of 100 equals 50, because 50 plus 50 equals 100. So half of 100 equals 50. And then half of 50 is 25, because 25 plus 25 equals 50. All right, well, what if I have this shape? Let's pretend this is a box of candy. How many candies do I have in the box? So if we look, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So I have 16 candies. So I want to find half of 16 candies. So I can do that by dividing this box in half. Got a little bit better than that. There we go. So how many candies are in each half? So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So half of 16 equals 8. What about this one? So we have half of something equals something else. So first, how many candies do we have? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So I have 12 candies, and then I want to divide that in half. So I'm going to draw a line in half. So half of 12 is the candies here, which is 6. Half of 12 equals 6. All right, so on this one, let's see how many candies we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I have 8 candies. So half of 8 equals, and let's divide this in half, and I'm going to divide it in half this way. So half of 8 equals 4 candies, because there's 4 candies on each half. Okay, what about this? I want to find half a group of 5 candies. So if I want to give half of these candies to my sister and keep half for myself, how many will we have left? So let's say we give half, that one to me, and that one to my sister. Okay, me and my sister. This one goes to me, this one goes to my sister. But I only have one more candy. So I have 1 candy left. And I can't split that evenly. So my answer to this one is half of 5 equals 2 with 1 left over, because we can't share that last candy. All right. So anytime we have an odd number, there's going to be something left over. Okay. All right, and that's it for this lesson. Good luck on your homework.